What is living? Which of the following is not characteristic of living things? And the answer here is they reproduce. Which of the organisms do not reproduce? Answer is all of these. Biological organization starts with option D, submicroscopic level. Growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive in higher organisms. The sum total of chemical reactions is called metabolism. In general, growth involves both A and B. An attribute found in plants but not in animals is option C, autotrophy. Reproduction is synonymous to growth in both A and C. Which of the following is a true defining feature of living beings? They can respond to external stimuli. How many of the following show increase in mass, boulders, sand mound, etc.? Answer is 4. Reproduction cannot be all inclusive character because example of worker bees. In organisms is synonymous with dash. Answer is unicellular reproduction growth. Growth is a characteristic of option B living organisms. Increase in number can be both A and B. Dash is defining feature of living beings, dash exception. Metabolism without. The only self-conscious organism is humans. If we define a coma patient, what will be not supporting this? Self-conscious. Which two of the below are known as twin characteristic of growth? Increase in mass, increase in number. Among the following, which is living and non-living growth? Which of the following is exclusive character of living organism? Option C. Growth in living things occur due to synthesis of. Option D. Reproduction cannot be. Option C. How many of the following cannot reproduce? Option A 4. All living phenomena occur due to. Option A. In plants, cell division occurs dash whereas animals it occurs. Option B. If we define self-conscious as definite property, option C is answer. Which of the following is defining character of living organism? Response to external stimuli. Plants respond to which external characters? Option B. Who awarded with triple crown of biology? Option C. Metabolism referred to sum of chemical reactions, and the answer is option B. And the two statements are given. And answer is option B. Plant nomenclature means option B, which is correct name. Option C. In taxonomy, the first step is option A, identification. The disadvantage of using common names is all of the above, which ensures that each organism has only a name all of the world. Scientific name. Specific epithet is second word of scientific name. Binomial nomenclature means option B. Most of the names in biological nomenclature are taken from Latin. Which of the following is wrongly written? Option A. It is correct. Option B is the wrong answer. Biological name of wheat is Triticum aestivium. The complete name of a plant in binomial nomenclature has two parts. Binomial nomenclature was given by Carolus Linnaeus. ICBN stand for option A. Descending arrangement of categories is hierarchy. Who is known Darwin of 20th century? Ernest Mayr. Title of Alexander Agassiz Professor of Geology Emerite goes to Ernest Mayr. Taxonomic status of an organism can be changed by changing genetic makeup. Practical purpose of classification of living organism is option D. Scientific name of banyan tree. It is written as Ficus bengalensis. Option C is right answer. There is need to standardize naming of living organism. The process is called nomenclature. Which of the following statement regarding nomenclature is correct? Option D, all of above. Binomial nomenclature is described in the book Systema Naturae. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. So, option C. Which of the following statement is correct? Option C. The term systematic refer to diversity of kinds of organisms. The main purpose of classification is to establish relation among organisms. Important criteria for modern day classification is anatomical and physiological traits. Artificial system of classification was used by Linnaeus. Unit of classification is all of the above. In hierarchy classification, order is present between family and class. In binomial nomenclature, both words are separately underlined. Underlining indicates the Latin origin. Both assertion and reason are true. So here, both assertion and reason are true. A taxon is group of any ranking. Suffix of phyta indicates division. Term taxonomy was introduced by D. Condole. Taxonomy refers to all of this. Ascending and descending arrangement is known as hierarchy. Next, the systematic arrangement of taxa is called hierarchy. Genera Petunia and Datura belong to family Solanaceae. Basic unit of classification species. Basic unit of classification is species. Which of the following is less general in characters compared to genus? Species. Category among the following is species. Total number of species are described as 1.7 to 1.8. What is true for individuals of same species? Interbreeding. Which of the most important but generally not used category criteria? Interbreeding. Among all kingdoms, only exists nature as species. Which has least similar characters? Class. Which of the following categories include one or more related orders? Class. Which of the following represent correct sequence? Option C. Which of the following categories contain organism least similar to another? Class. Fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds constitute same category phylum. Phylum is a hierarchical level of division. Taxonomic categories show correct hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is option D. All the following hold true for reproduction except synonymous growth of multicellular organism. Select the correct sequence of Homo erectus. Option A. Here the answer is option B. Both assertion reason but not correct reason. Explanation. Next here. Order is taxonomic category that includes one or more genera. Answer is option D. Herbarium is dry garden. Zoological parks include wild animals. Information about plant specimen in herbarium is published in Flora. NBR is situated in Lucknow. Answer here is option C, catalog. Keys are based on contrasting characters generally in pairs or called couplet. Following taxonomic aid provides information and identification of species in manual. Manual contain information about identification of names of species. Keys are uncultured. Keys are based on couplet. Option B. Which of following contain information only one taxon? Monograph. Monograph are useful in providing information of names of species. Option D. Both are